management is the locomotive that drive the whole train of the company, and if they are lacking behind in terms of what is the technologies necessary, then the locomotive would not go, right, and the train would not be moving.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the new episode of Workforce 5 Show. We are all working in the show to help our businesses, our companies to be a better place for everyone. And we focus typically about productivity. And in this episode, we're going to focus about how we use technology to use the better productivity for the company so that as a company can achieve much more bigger goal. So today with me, we also have a guest, which is Khang Tran, who's been working in technology field for a long period of time. With that, let's move to the next question, Khang. The next question is, Khang, is what are your top 5 aspects you suggest company to implement, use technology to use workforce productivity? I think you already covered a lot in the first questions because you was mostly was going through it, but you want to add 1 or 2 more, please go ahead.
Yes, I think that basically in order to have a very successful change in the companies for technologies, one of the most important thing is that the management should have a very clear vision of the culture change that needed to embed the new ways of working with technologies into their DNA of the organization. That's the main thing, because the management is the locomotive that drive the whole train of the company, and if they are lacking behind in terms of what is the technologies necessary, then the locomotive would not go, right, and the train would not be moving. That's the first thing. The second thing is that the management must have enough budgets or dedications in terms of the financial investments into these technologies. As you said, most of the people think investing in technologies are costs, but actually, eventually, it's going to be the win-win situation for the whole company, where with that technologies, it's going to bring money into the company rather than not being able to make money, right? The third thing is the new and emerging mega trends in organization involve technologies and automation. The management should adapt by building the future workforce strategy with the whole level from the top management down to the employees level as well, so that everybody would involve, right? The fourth thing is prepare your employees with the new skills and the experience to align themselves with the changes that John, you already mentioned in previous questions. Okay, then it's just a matter of have the necessary investment to gear up for the change now and into the future. You know, for the last 20 years, technologies have made tremendous progress in our lives and our livelihood, as well as in the way in which organizations are doing business. So you must open your heart and your mind to these innovations, and then prepare for a bigger, better future in terms of that. And that's my my take for this question, John.
Thank you, Khang. There's a lot of spiritual aspect you mentioned. That's great. So for me, I want to go very straightforward 5 use case. I want to give it to you so you'll be able to use them as a viewer to your company. The first one is about training the employees on productivity tool. Train the employees how they can manage their energy, how they can manage their focus. That's the number 1 use case. Number 2 I will mention is about train employees on setting goals correctly. Set and help them to set the goals quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily basis. And don't just tell them it's about how to do it, but actually providing them a platform to manage them as well too. So they can manage themselves, not to monitoring or policing on them. The ultimate objective is so that they can set their right goals and track them in technology platform. Number 3, digitize the onboarding program. Company, we're going to get a lot of people coming into the company every year because business will growing. Even some people who left will replace them as well too. So, and having an onboarding program will be really valuable asset. Number 4, connect and digitize the offboarding program as well. The same, there will be employees who wanted to walk away from the company for a better career, or maybe they want to need a break and then that process we can digitize as well too. So most of the thing I have seen, company have no offboarding program. They just turn off every access and that's basically it. And that's thing need to be changed. Having a proper offboarding program which can help them to implement, to do it with a very cost-effective manner in it by using technology. Number 5 is about connecting the human resource department and IT department and synergize them to work together so the HR department can also leverage different tech frameworks, models to innovate the human resource business model as departmental model as well. So the goal is about human resource department not to be just only cost center, but also be a department where it will have much more innovations as well too. And that will only happen when the IT and human resource department work together. So these are my 5 use cases which can be using by technology to boost the productivity of the workforce. Thank you, Khang. It was a pleasure to have you, and I would love to have you again too. So for the audience, we put our heart together, myself and also Khang together. We put our head together to only one purpose, to help you so you could use those different mental models, tools, and strategies we share with you so you can use it to make your company a better place, better, more productive, and more successful in your business too. And that's the whole purpose of this Workforce Flywheeler show. If you have any questions about any of those things, go ahead and comment below. We'd love to give an answer. If you're trying in a particular things which we have shared in our show and you find any particular challenge, or go ahead and comment below too as well. And if you are one of the experts watching this, also please share your thoughts about workforce productivity as well too through technology. We'd love to hear from you and probably have a next discussion with you too as well. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have you in the shows, and we'll see you in the next episode.
And you probably wanted to see the whole podcast episodes where we share a lot of strategies. So don't forget to click this video right now so you can see the whole episodes where we share a lot of strategy. Click the video right now and I will see you there. Are you a leader or an HR professional? So for you, this is a great channel. So don't forget to subscribe.